Creating multimedia content is a great way to use Chromebooks. In order to work with audio, video, and images, you're going to need some tools that allow you to work with that type of content. I'm going to show you my favorite tools for working with audio, video, and images. Now, I only have time to show you three, one for each category, but I have several other tools that I really do like and use on a regular basis. All of my recommendations are on this document, which I will link in the description for this video. So to start, let's talk about images. If you want to edit an image, crop, modify, make any changes, you're going to need an image editing tool. The one that I recommend is called Pixlr. Pixlr. Now, when you search for Pixlr in the Chrome Web Store, you're going to see a lot of results. You don't want most of them. The one that I recommend is all the way down at the bottom. It's the one called Pixlr Editor. It's got the butterfly by pixlr.com. Install that and you'll get the butterfly icon on your Chromebook. And when I open Pixlr, it goes directly to the image editor. So from a classroom perspective, there's no login, no sign up. You're right into creation when you click on the app. If you have used Photoshop in the past, you'll notice that it has a similar layout. It has a lot of the same tools. I'm not going to go as far as saying that this is a Photoshop alternative. However, it is very good for basic image editing projects. So that's my recommendation for images. A couple of others that I really like would include Canva, Aviary, and then even AutoDraw by Google. Let's talk about audio next. Audio is an underutilized form of media. Podcasting is more popular now, and so it is making a comeback, but in the classroom, audio has some really great applications. The one that I like for recording audio is simply called Audio Recorder. I'll show it to you in the web store. This one is amazing because it is literally one button. Which is brilliant. So this is it right here down at the bottom with the black background. That's the one I recommend you get. I'll open it up for you. This does work offline, which is nice as well. It is literally one button. You click, you talk, and then you download. Now, this will download as a WAV file, which you can then import into an image or an audio editor if you want to do any post-production work. But in terms of simple recording, Audio Recorder is my recommendation. There's another one called Cloud Audio Recorder that does give you some additional downloading options like MP3. And then if you want to actually edit audio, I recommend Soundtrap, which is outstanding. Last category of video I want to talk about is video. And, there's many different kinds of video. There's live action, there's screencasts. The one that I recommend, is the one that I'm using right now, is Screencastify. Screencastify will allow you to record screen video like this one. It also will allow you to use the webcam if you want. So I can turn it on. Hello, everybody. Do picture-in-picture. I can also just record my webcam without the screen if I want to. Screencastify is excellent if you want students to record a quick video reflection, if you want them to do a screencast like this and show their work. So in the web store, if you just do a search for Screencastify, you'll find it. This is actually an extension which will install up here. That's my recommendation for kind of getting started. If you need to do more production, editing, you're trying to create a digital story, I recommend that you check out Adobe Spark, which is outstanding. Clap Motion is good for stop motion video. And then there's another very simple one, similar to Screencastify, called School Video Recorder, that literally just records from your webcam, click, record, and done, and then saves it to Drive. So that's for very kind of unscripted, off-the-cuff video. Those are my three recommendations for working with audio, video, and images on a Chromebook. The description for this video will have a link to this document, and you can look at all of my recommendations there.